In this tutorial video, we will learn how to make the drawings from a part. So let's begin. So at first, click on File, click on New, select Part and then click OK. Select top plane and click on Sketch. We will be making a center rectangle here at this origin. And now let's specify the dimension. Just select this line and set this dimension to 70 mm, and after that select this line of the rectangle and specify the length of this line as 50 mm. After that, go to features and select extruded boss base and extrude it up to 10 mm. Then check this box. Now let's specify some appearance. Select this metal part and steel and specify any material you like. Now select this face and click on sketch. Make a circle here at this origin. Now select this smart dimension tool and specify the diameter of this circle 30 mm. And now select this extruded boss base and extrude this circle 70 mm. Then select this thin feature and specify 5 mm in the thin feature. Now it's time to make the chamfer. So select here chamfer, select this corner and specify the dimension for the chamfer as I think 2 mm is okay. Make it as 2 mm and then check this box. Now select chamfer again and select this inner face of the pipe and apply 2 mm chamfer. Now it's time to apply some fillet. So select fillet and select this corner and here select this option. All the edges of this circle will be selected automatically, and then drop down this and specify 2 mm for fillet, and here you can see fillet is applied at all the corners and all the edges of this part. Now go to file here and select this made drawing from part and select this save option. Now save here with any name and automatically this drawing window will be open. So here select this A3 page and click OK. Now expand this bar and from here drag the front view in the environment window from this to this is the drawing window basically, and automatically this top view will appear. You have to specify where to place it. Just click here. The side view is also available but I am not going to place it, and this is the pictorial view or you can say 3D view. Place it here. Just press the escape button and now drag these to the left side like this. Now select this pictorial view and change the appearance of this 3D view. Okay, now let's specify the dimensions for this front view. Select the smart dimension tool and specify the length of this line and specify all of these parameters. After specifying different dimensions to the front view, now let's specify some dimension to this top view. and that's how you can specify different dimensions to these front and top view. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.